Hello guys, and welcome to part 3 of me making a trap song generator. I thought that I would finish it by the time I made this video, but it turns out I am still not done. This is because I now have limited time to work on my project. But anyways, since then, I have added an actual interface to the trap generator, so that instead of just seeing a bunch of lists and variables on a blank background, you will now see even more numbers on a gray background. Because I want to eventually make an AI trap music live stream, this interface is important, because of obvious reasons. Also, I didn't tell you that there was a blank space below the interface. This is because the very basic website I am using to make this, Scratch, is stuck with a 480 by 360 pixel display, like the TVs in 1960. But this white space is actually going to be useful, because while live streaming, I can use this hidden space to add song requests, fix bugs I might find, and see useful debug data. But anyways, after adding this interface, I decided that the list of type beats shouldn't just be there for looks. So I added type beats. I did this through a list, with each type beat containing 22 items of information, including information on the instruments and melody structures. Most of the items in the presets were lists themselves, so it took a long time to make. While making these presets, I also added 4 more melody instruments and made it so that the counter melody was not stuck with a flute. I also added snares and bells, which meant I also had to update the song presets to include them. I added 2 type beat presets, Yet and Playboy Carti. Because the presets included information on basically how everything was generated, they could no longer be generated randomly. So I made everything generate based on the presets. Then, because I was being very good, I had to be worse, so my screen time got limited to 1 hour. I decided to use the non-screen time to write song presets, since they didn't require me to actually be in the project. I wrote 9 presets, making there a total of 14 song presets, which I hoped would be enough to give variety to the music. Before this point, the interface that I added was more of like a background decoration, so I then added the text that will go on it. And yeah, that is all I have accomplished in the past 2 weeks. If I can add the remaining 10 type beat presets in the next 2 weeks, then I may be able to live stream it. So sorry if I didn't get much done in the past 2 weeks, I can't do anything about it. The fact that this video got uploaded. See you next time, and bye.